Hello, all the students of Standard 3. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality times with your family. You can play some indoor games. You have carom, chess, ludo, so many games. Please don't go outside because it is lockdown period. You can give your quality times in your study. Eat healthy foods. Don't eat junk foods. I hope you all have purchased your book. So today I am going to teach you maths. I have already taught you till exercise 3 of chapter 2. Okay, so today I am going to start exercise 4, but I will not explain you directly question. I am just going to explain example. With the help of example, whatever I am explaining, you will solve the exercise question. Okay, student. So now chapter 2 is page number, not standard 4. I have written standard 4. It will be standard 3. Page number 13. Okay. So topic is place value. This is example for size 4. Topic is place value. See, as already learned in previous classes, place value of a digit depends on its position in the number, but the face value of a digit remains always unchanged. In your earlier class, you have already read that place value of digit depends on its position in the number, but the face value of a digit remains always unchanged. So example number 3 is, find the place value of each digit in 3906. Okay, 3906. So now you can see solution. What is our number? Our number is 3906. So now you can see, I have already told you the first one we called ones, second one we called tens, third one we call 100, and then again after that we call 1000. Here I will write place value for you. You have to find the place value of this digit. So see, this one we will go to 6 ones. First digit is ones. We will go for 0 tens. This one will go for 900s. This will go for 3000s. Okay, 6 ones because first number is ones, 0 tens because the second number is tens, 900 because the third number is 100, and the fourth number is 1000. Now place value 6 ones means, so first will be 6, 0 tens, 0 into 10, 0, 900. If you multiply 9 into 100, then you will get 900. That's why it's 900. And the last one is 3000, and you will multiply 3 into 1000, so you will get 3000. So this is your place value. Understood, students? With the help of this, we will solve the question number. You can easily solve with the help of this 1 to question number 4 till question number 8. You can easily solve. From question number 1 to 8, you need not to find all the place value. In this question, it is written find the place value of each digit. But from question number 1 to 9, you have to find the place value of, like it is number given, you have to find the place value of 9 and find the 9. Find the place value of 3, then find only 3. Not all. So like now place value of 0 is always 0. Just keep in your mind that place value of 0, it will be always 0. Understood? Now come to example number 4. Okay, with the help of example number 4, you can easily solve question number 1 to question number 8. Till question number 9, you can easily solve example of size 4. So come to example number 4. So you can see example number 4 is find the place value of 4 in 8416. Okay, you have to find a place value of 4 in 8416. In 84 we have the number is 8416. Okay, you have to find a place value of 4. It is already there, and you have to find the place value of 4. You need not to touch other number. So see, 6 appears in 1's place, 1 appears in 10's place, 4 appears in 100 place, and 8 appears in 1000 place. So just you have to find the 4 place. So 4 appears in what? 1's 10's 100 place. Okay, that's why 400. Therefore, the place value of 4 is 400. Very easy. 4 appears on the 400 place. That's why the place value of 4 is 400, because when you will multiply 4 into 100, then you will get 400. Understood, students? With the help of this two example, question number 8, 9 you will easily solve. Now come to exercise number 4. Question number 10, just I will explain you. So if you want to write down, please write. You have to make 2 copies for maths. I have already told you, one for classwork and one for homework. So now come to page number exercise 4, page number 14. Page number 14, exercise 4, question number 10. You just see. Question is, write the place value of 2's in 4282. Write the place value of 2's in 4282. After that, and find the difference. Find the difference of these place value. Okay, write the place value of 2's in 4282 and find the difference of the. See solution. Number we have and U and V are, we have number 4282. We have to find the place value of 2's. See, only there is 2. So first is 2 ones means 2. Second one is 200. It means 200. Okay, the first number is 2 ones. It means 2, and the second 2 is at 100 place. 1 station that is 200. But the other question is find the difference of this place value. You have to find difference, means subtract. So which one is bigger? So difference is. The first one is 200 and the second smaller one is 2. If you will subtract 200 minus 2, then you will get 198. So this is your difference. Understood? Please note down this. Now question number 11 is, you just note down, find the differences of the place value of 27 in 6577. Same question as question number 11. In question number 11, you have to find the difference of 27. First find the place value, then find the differences. Now in question number 12, you have to write the place value of each digit. So very easy, you will write it. In question number 13, underline the correct numeral. The first one is done for you. Question number 13 is underline the correct numeral. So question number 13, I will explain you in lecture number 2.